Hi. It's an unboxing video. I'm so excited. Oh, okay. So I ordered something from America. Sorry about my voice, I've literally just woke up. Someone came today and I'm so excited and we're gonna open her together. Okay. Are you ready? I think you can already get a little sneak peek in there. Okay. Oh my goodness. Let's get her out. Here she is. Okay, so the box is dented because I did order her from America, which was expected, which means I will be taking her out of this box. Oh my god. It's just like really dented there, but I'm okay with it because I was going to take her out. Here she is. Oh my goodness. I am speechless. Ignore the box, it's fine. I can't. Oh my god. The back too. Oh. Holy moly. And the top of the head. Oh my god. Oh, let's get her out of this box, dude. Okay, so it's been a few hours. Felicia is out of box. I had to like go and get my nails done, so that's why if you like see them like that, they're super cute. Anyways, I had to go and get my nails done, so I was like, I'm gonna unbox it off camera and away from the camera while I have functioning fingers, because I wouldn't be able to open it in these. So about the unboxing, it was quite like difficult to get her out. I was there for like a good half hour trying to get her out, but we got there eventually. Here she is. I don't know if you can see, she just have like a few makeup defects, but nothing too bad. Let's see. Nothing too noticeable. You can kind of see in that eye. And then there's the earrings. And then the dress is absolutely gorgeous. So this is like her shawl here. I haven't took it off yet. I don't want to. Her dress is super pretty. And her shoes and her stand is really weird. Here's the top of her hair. So cute. Let's see. And the back of her hair. Really, really cute. And then her little bag and bracelet on this hand. Ah, she's so cute. Anyways. So yeah, I don't know if you can wash this type of hair. Let me know if you can. I'm not too sure. I don't want to like ruin her hair or anything, so I might not wash it. But if you can, let me know how. That would be great. And yeah, so that's Felicia, and I've made room on the shelf. I'll put her up in a second. So here she is on the shelf with all the other 2021 girls. She looks super cute. Up there with all the other ones, all the new re-releases this year. And then on here, let's see. On here we have the Bratz bracelet she comes with. It's really pretty. I'm just gonna like leave it displayed out on the shelf so it's like nice on there. So that's a bracelet she comes with. That's Felicia. And also her brush. So I hope you all kind of enjoyed this video. It was like filmed like different hours, but we got there in the end. And let me know if you can actually wash her hair, because I'm not too sure if you can. If you can, great, let me know how. Okay, so thank you for watching, bye.